The cost of a complete kitchen renovation is big bucks depending on the finishes you get. However, minor upgrades like painting existing cabinets or updating the countertops, flooring, and appliances are good options to save money and time while still giving the kitchen that fresh new look that you're after. Replacing all your windows to energy efficient ones is a huge expense. Did you know that 10% of the utility bills can be saved with minor adjustments to the temperature for 8 hours a day using a Wi-Fi enabled programmable thermostat that may cost you only a couple $100? Renovating the entire basement of your home is costly. Turning a portion of the basement into a usable space without including a bathroom in the design might be a cost-effective approach. Remodeling a bathroom is expensive, but having minor fixes like new lighting, new mirrors, a new toilet and bathtub, and painting the cabinets gives a whole new look to the place. Replacing old blinds with new custom window treatments and shades can transform the living space and is much cheaper than many interior renovations. Planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months? Give us a call. We're here to help.